All right, now today I'm gonna be cooking a barbecue pill. What is it? What is it called again? Barbecue pill and eat. Okay. Today I'm gonna be making a famous dish from the oyster bars out here in Vegas. It's a barbecue pill and eat shrimp. Every time me and my wife go on a date night, fuck around, get drunk, we always end up at the oyster bar. And this is what I get. The base of damn near everything at the oyster bar is this base right here, which is clam base, basil, butter, onions, white wine. That's it. They use this for everything they basically prepare on their menu. At least 60% of the stuff on their menu is based around this broth. It's a herb broth. That's what it's called. Have you ever been to an oyster bar in Las Vegas or an oyster bar anywhere? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna get this dish going right now. Believe me, this broth is, you can just eat this broth. My wife orders chalpino, but she doesn't get, it's not tomato based. She substitutes that for this broth because it's that good. And she adds sausage and lobster. She's not fucking with the cod, but the lobster, and it's just so good. So I'm gonna show y'all some little oyster bar hacks. So we're gonna, a little bit of olive oil. Then we're gonna add our onion. Gonna sweat that down a little bit. All right. Now that we have these onions sweated down, I'm gonna add the wine. I'm gonna let that reduce. I'm gonna let it reduce for a couple of minutes. All right, now that that wine has reduced, I'm gonna throw the basil in. I just want the basil to release some of those flavors before we add our water and our clam base. Now we're gonna add 4 cups of water. And a nice big spoonful of this clam base. I love fucking clam base. Stir that up. Make sure that clam base dissolves. I'm gonna let this cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then we'll be ready to finish. All right, now that our broth is to a boil, I wish you can smell this. That clam, that basil, fire. You can literally just use this. And you can just throw some shrimp, sausage, clams, mussels, whatever in this. It's gonna be fire. All right, let's put this to the side. Now let's do the fun part. This is the fun part. Now, like I said, when I go to the oyster bar, this is what I order. Shrimp, sausage, that broth. Now we have our seasonings, smoked paprika. We have a little bit of cayenne pepper. We have some Old Bay and a little bit of dry thyme. You already know. Black tiger shrimp. Then we have our unsalted butter. We're gonna add the butter. We're gonna add our garlic. As soon as that butter is finished melting, I'm gonna throw in my sausage for a minute, then the shrimp. Now, last time I made this, everybody was in the comments saying, oh, that's a seafood boil, that's a seafood boil. No, I've never had a seafood boil with a clam-based broth. It's not a seafood boil. If you think, let me know in the comments if you think it's a seafood. What's a seafood boil? I'm gonna cook these for a couple of minutes, and I'm gonna throw my shrimp in with those seasonings. Yeah, that smells good. I swear that fresh garlic smells good. Y'all be using that watered down garlic. You know the garlic is the garlic in a jar. Do not use that. Please, stop using that. Now we're gonna throw in our black tiger shrimp. It's about a pound. These are 13, 15, so they're real big. Clean as you go, because it's a lot of you chefs dirty as a motherfucker. A lot of you chefs, I'll be seeing y'all background. It don't look pretty. All right, as soon as this shrimp is almost done, we're gonna add our seasonings and then some of that broth. All right, we're gonna add our seasonings now. Once that's all incorporated, now let's add our broth.
All right, guys, it's your girl, Sunny Blue. I guess now I gotta talk to y'all and tell y'all how much I love it, but y'all already know that. We got this dish from Oyster Bar. Of course, I prefer his now, but Oyster Bar is still good. So on a drunken night, I will pull up, but yeah, bon appetit. Oh my God. Got a little rice. I should have peeled my shrimp first. I know I'm gonna get it on my shirt. It's hot. You should have peeled me one. So I like to dip it, you know, get it all saturated and whatnot. It's like a mukbang, right? What's it called? Mukbang. Get a little, yeah, gotta get the rice, shrimp, some sausage, whatever that green stuff is. What's that, basil? This dish, I could probably eat this every day. I'm probably lying, but it's that fire. Try it, super easy. Like and subscribe, all that good stuff.
I told y'all this dish is fire and it's real easy to make. If you've ever been to an oyster bar and had this shrimp, you probably wouldn't want it anymore if you make it at home and you make it just like I've made it. You know, of course I gotta get a bite. Fuck, this is so fire. I'm begging you, please try this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This dish I will have on my website when it's up and running. But till then, it's real easy, step by step. Just look at what I did. My nigga, enjoy.